Ever wonder how companies get their credit score? Today we are demystifying Fitch Ratings and why their grades matter to investors. At its core, Fitch is evaluating credit risk, essentially, how likely a company or government is to default on its debt. Fitch is one of the big three agencies that shape global markets. When they issue a rating, the entire financial world pays attention. They look at everything from a company's balance sheet to the broader economic environment to determine how stable that entity really is. Ratings are split into two buckets: investment grade, which is safer, and speculative grade, also known as junk bonds, which carry higher risk. The scale moves from AAA for the most stable entities, all the way down to D, which signifies that a default has already occurred. Always remember that these ratings are opinions based on available data, not a crystal ball for the future of any company. Understanding these ratings helps you gauge the risk in your portfolio. Subscribe for more money basics and keep learning.